goblins, and welcome to my haunt. I am the Countess Craft. Today, for Witch Week, we are going to be doing the cookie challenge. Now, if you haven't seen this yet, we're each going to take a cookie and we're going to place it on our face. And you're going to try to get it into your mouth without using your hands. We're going to try to use your magical witchcraft to move it around your face and into your mouth.
It's called moving your face.
Or move your face. All right. Okay, we're going to have to take our hats off in order to put cookies on our face.
Your witch can now.
Wow, look at that orange cream.
Oh, I want to eat them. So bad.
Boo.
Whoa.
Okay. Ready? Tilt your head back.
I don't want to. I'm scared.
Am I supposed to put it on? Oh! Okay, put your head back. Put your head back.
Do it.
Move your eyebrows. Move your eyebrows. Like if you're surprised. You don't know what your face looks like when it's done?
It's almost there.
Roll it. Move it towards one of your eyeballs. So overall, that was kind of a difficult challenge, but very fun anyways. The real winner was Hans because he took off with the rest of the cookies while we were busy doing our challenge. Well, if you guys try this cookie challenge, I want to hear about it. How long did it take you to get that cookie off your face and into your mouth? I want to see pictures and video. Please tag me. But until I see you next time, my little goblins, don't forget to grab your favorite book and a healthy snack. And R.I.P. Read in peace.